never had a chance to say goodbye. I never had a chance to say I love you. But now that you're gone, made me feel like another person. Made a dream within your heart. Really got you in and found me. Please just stay. Roaming around to show you the vision inside my head. Tore my heart into pieces. Maybe you'll understand. Whenever I'm around you, I feel so ignored. It's the time to know that you love me for that guy. Whenever I'm around you, I can't believe that you use me as a jealous material. You got to understand. If I die tomorrow, it's alright, it's okay. The spirit will carry on. It's just me floating away, roaming around to show you the vision inside my head. Tore my heart into pieces. Maybe you'll understand.
Whenever I'm around you, I get so ignored inside. And every time I see you proud, then you close my eyes. And now I have you, and everything is mine tonight. And every time you see me crying, you're ignoring my tears. And that's my fears for all those years that I've been with you. I've been the fool thinking that you're in love with me. And now I know, and now you see, you're only using me as a jealous material.
Roaming around to show you the vision inside my